back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. I'm taking a break from doing all my household chores since my mailman came with my Bolzano bag for this month. It comes like this via the USPS. So let's get into her and find out what we got this month. So I do hope y'all are having a great day. And I can't open. Alright, there we go. What I like about this company, the bag comes in a nice duster bag. So that looks like this. Looks like that. It protects your bag while it's being shipped, and it's also a good way to store the bag when you're not using it. And these have been getting better and better every month. So anyway, for those that don't know anything about Bolzano, I'm gonna get into my little thing here. It's my little notepad. I've got this at the Target dollar spot. You can find some decent stuff over there. So, as I said, this is my Bolzano handbag. I do get the purse and accessories. That's $33.95, where you get one handbag, purse, pocketbook, whatever you want to call it. And it comes with 2 to 3 accessories. Shipping's free. It's supposed to be valued at least $250. So, we'll see. And shipping for Canada is $30. My hair is like a mess. It's still all wet. It's so humid and hot here. Anyway, I also added on the purse companions. Oh, God, my hair. And that's an additional $10. So that's 2 to 3 fragrances and or cosmetic items that comes along with the purse subscription. They have changed a lot of their additional subscriptions, so my total for this bag and everything in here was $43.95 with no shipping. So let's open her up. She always comes tied, so, and it always has this nice little tag on the front. I can't get it on, there we go, where it says, "You deserve to be spoiled." And that is so true. I totally deserve to be spoiled. Ooh, this is a nice bag this month. Here she is. Look at that. This makes 2 months in a row where I've gotten a really nice leather bag. It's kind of like a purplish grayish color. This looks like a really nice, maybe even a weekend overnighter bag. It's not that big, but let me get some of this plastic off. There we go. Come on, girlfriend, get off. There we go. So here's what she looks like. This looks like this is the back. Here's the front. It's got all this nice detailing up here. It's got a little pocket right here. And it's got a pocket in the back. And it's got a snap pocket on the side. On both sides, actually. I could put my cell phone right here. So this is a perfect bag. You can carry it like this, and it looks like it's got the little loops for you to be able to... I love this right here. This is amazing. It looks like gunmetal. And then here's what it looks like inside. There's all my goodies. So let's pull them out first. Ooh, looks like I got a bracelet or something in that. So here's my accessories. My stress reliever. Anyway, more stress reliever. And here's the strap, like I said. This looks really nice, so you can carry it over your shoulder. You can wear it crossbody. Purse is a little fat to be a crossbody, so let's keep pulling all my stuff out of here. So here is, oh, it's stuck. Come on, baby, come on out. It's falling apart. how did you guys get this in here? Here's a piece of paper. Probably tells me about the bag. I'm having a really hard time here. Feels like it's stuck. Let me get this out of here. What is this? There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. It's like stuck together. Oh, it's because of the sticker on the other side. It's stuck to the box. So here we go. As I said, this has a very narrow opening. That's why I'm having such a hard time getting into it. But yeah, the little case here is all messed up. Let's set that off to the side. So here's what the inside looks like. And it does have two little pockets back here in the back. You can put something in. And then it's got a nice little zipper spot back here. It got stuff stuck to it because it was stuck in here on this little flappy thing. I don't know why that's in there, but that's what it was getting stuck on. But it's got a lot of compartments and a lot of places in here. It just has a really narrow opening. I guess not that I need a big opening. I just hope I can get my wallet in and out of here. But it's very deep, roomy inside. So let's set her down and let's see what we got for accessories. As I said, I got the handle. So we'll put that off to the side. I got, oh, let's read the paper first. So here we go. Congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. That's the other thing. This is a monthly subscription. They do have other options, so I will be linking their website down below so you can go and check them out. As I said, these are really good quality handbags. So what else does it say? This month we have chosen our Florencina bag especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $165. Florencina is part of our new summer collection. It comes in baby pink, brandy, gray fog, and black. So this is probably the gray fog. And it looks really pretty. I love this because it kind of looks purple, but it also looks kind of grayish in color. So yeah, here's the picture on here. So even this burgundy one, well, they're calling it brandy. That looks really pretty. I bet you the pink one would look really pretty too. So anyway, if I don't like this color, which I do, I could send this back to them and say I want a different color. But we're not going to do that. So let's look through my accessories. I did get this here, which was sticking to everything. So what is this? This is by Lula DK Tattoos. They're body tattoos, as you can see here. It says they're artist and designer Lulu Kwiatkowski transforms her painterly designs into a fashionable line of intricate metallic jewelry tattoos. Easy to apply, put on with water, take off with alcohol or baby oil. I'm probably not going to be using these. I mean, they look all nice and cool. See, here they are on the back. They're definitely the exact same things as what the girl has on here. Yes. So I'm going to take this sticker off because it's causing problems. But, oh, it looks like they got gold ones and they've got silver. But anyway, I won't be using these. I will probably be putting these in a giveaway that I'll be doing soon. And here's her website if you want to look at other things that she's got. It's www.luludk.com. Also her Instagram, luludk_tattoos. So there's that information. So more than likely, as I said, that'll be going into a giveaway for later time. I've got some other stuff that I need to get out of here too. And I've got a nice little pouch here. It looks like a bracelet. So let's see. been getting earrings lately, so it's nice to have something else. This looks like, where can I put it? Let me take my hair tie off. Oops, got snagged. There we go. Let's put this on. So it is one size fits all, and it's got these nice arrows on it, if you can see that there, and it is silver. Basically, everything with this brand is somewhat customizable. You tell them what you like, you tell them what colors you like, you tell them if you like silver or gold accessories. So that's why all my accessories are silver. I did get this, what looks like a Tiffany box. I can ooh, this is beautiful. It goes with the bracelet. Look at that. It is a necklace, just like I said. This is beautiful. I love this. Amazing. Look at that. I got a I got a necklace with the first purse that I got. Here's this. So that is beautiful. It's a little all tangled up right now, so I can't take it off of here, but this looks beautiful. Let me see if I can get it off. No, it's all tangled up. Get the tape off the back. There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. Coming slowly. Oops, it's taped down over here too. And why would you tape it down like that? There we go. So, see if I can figure out how to get this unsnagged. Look at that. It's all snagged together. Oh, brother. That's not good. But it is very pretty. I like it. Let's see. Almost got it. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, that's how this is. Okay. It's 3 pieces and it's all tangled down here at the bottom. Sorry if you hear my TV in the background. I've got Rookie Blue on. Let's see if I can figure. Yeah, it's going one way, one side, another way on the other side. But basically, this is what it would look like. So yeah, it's a 3-tiered necklace like this. Here's what it looks like. Whoops, it's really pretty. I'll have to finagle it at a later date and time so that I can get through the rest of the items in my purse companion. So here's the little purse companion. As I said, this cost an additional $10. It's supposed to have 2 to 3 fragrances and or cosmetic items. So let's see what's in here. Alrighty, I've got 2. What are these? Perfect Eyeliner Fully Retractable by Desi. I think a couple months ago we got Desi lip glosses. So here's the 2 of them. They've got these little like smudger things on the one end, and then on this end, I really don't want to open these up yet because I've got a bunch of other eye pencils, but it looks like one is in brown. It's called Frost Brown, and the other one here is Jet Black. So I got 2 eye pencils, and I also got, what else is in here? By L'Oreal. This is their Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle Firming Eye Cream Moisturizer. I think 2 months ago or last month we got the moisturizing cream or the neck cream or whatever it was. So this is the eye cream to go with that. So let me open this up. This is a really good drugstore brand. I really do like the Revitalift brand. And here's the component. Can't get out of the box. Can't get it out of the box. Here we go. Look at it. It's so little. But then again, you don't need a lot of the product. And here's the little safety seal. So I'm not going to open this up yet right now. I'm still working through my Dior eye cream, so I don't want to open this until I'm ready to use it. So put that back in its little box. And then the last thing in here, it looks like it's a perfume. So that's everything in here. So that is actually 4 items, but it's 3 items. 2 if you count the eye pencils together, that makes 4. So here's what it looks like. So I'm like taking it out of the box and not showing you the pretty packaging. So here's what it looks like. It's got this woman with a corset on the front. And what's the brand? Doesn't really have anything on it to tell me. Jean-Paul Gaultier with classique in quotation marks. So maybe it's their makeup brand, Classique. I really like this little bottle. It looks kind of cool. Looks like a little girl bottle. So let's see if I can pop this out of here. Come on. Oh! Okay. Luckily it didn't fall on the floor. It fell on my arm. So here's what the little component looks like. And it's frosted all the way around like a little corset would be. And it is a perfume. So how does this work? Okay, so it doesn't have a pump on it. It doesn't smell bad. Let me see. I can't tell what the scent is. It's a little it's cute. I probably won't put this right here. It doesn't smell bad. It's not really strong or anything like that, so it's not like it's going to yeah, it has a little bit of a the scent is bothering me a little bit, but it has a kind of musky kind of scent, maybe. I don't know. But this is really pretty. I don't know that I'd actually be using this, but since I already put my fingers on it, I'll just keep it, put it in the background with my little other stuff. And I don't know, I feel like I can't talk today. But anyway, I think this month's bag, I really like this month's bag. This is beautiful. I love this bag. It's nice leather. You can smell the leather. It's not too overwhelming. So I think this month was really, really good. I really like all of the items in this bag. And I really look forward to using this bag for the next month until I get my next bag. So I do hope everybody had a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everybody.